from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for western Lee County in north central Illinois until 12:15 a.m. At 9:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing torrential rain across much of the warned area. Over 2 inches
Here,
of
I thought
rain
this was
have
over.
fallen in the past hour over portions of the warned area. Emergency management reported ditches overflowing onto roads and numerous intersections with water across them to the west of Dixon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dixon, Nelson, and Harmon. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, country roads,
flash flood warning.
as well as other drainage areas.
This is my
and
second
low-lying
FFW
spots.
on this channel.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.